on the Aircon. As you see, it is running. Got it at 18 right this moment. It is, we knew it needed to be cleaned, but we talked to the people that knew more about air conditioners than us. And it turned out as what they thought was wrong with it was a compressor was out in it, and we had that fixed, and plus cleaned. Instead of me trying to clean it, I just had it done with the fixing. So we just put it back in. Yeah, we got to get that paper off the top of it, but we stuffed that in some holes for now. But we just wanted to run it here. We just came up to the farm to bring a internet specialist with us. So we run this and had it taken care of as well. And hopefully this is going to work this now. But you know, the real test isn't just for running it for an hour or two, but it's the entire night. You know, I really needed to be able to sleep in here. Unlike America, where the rooms are all insulated, as soon as you turn off the aircon here, the temperature starts to rise like immediately. It's you know, the windows are not sealed. There's no insulation in the attic or anything like that. It's just hollow block. And as you see, you can probably see out the bottom of the aircon right there. So yeah, definitely not what we're used to back in America. But again, we're in the Philippines, and this is what we do. This is how we roll. But just wanted to let everybody know that we did get it working here. And I'm testing it out. It was tested there at the shop. But you know, I threw it back in, and I'm running it while we're here today, just to see how it does. Because if it messes up, I'm yanking it right back out and taking it right back to them. That's how I roll.
Thank you guys for watching today at the farm. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and please leave a comment below. See ya.